Inventory data shows a drawdown in crude for the 7th week in a row. But Alan, crude's actually under pressure. Shouldn't that be bullish for crude?
One would think it would be bullish, but the numbers came out a little weaker than expected. And on top of it, we have still an oversupplied market. So we still need a lot of crude oil to get out of the inventories, and it hasn't happened. So with that, we're starting to see this sell-off. I also think that there was some speculators in the market. They didn't get the number they were looking for, and because they didn't, they're pulling out, and off we come.
Well, it's interesting to see that there was actually a build in gasoline, and you would think with the summer driving season that that would be drawing down at this point.
Yes, I did find that number rather surprising. You're right, we should be drawing down, not building. And that also leads to more of a sell-off. We have unleaded gas coming off, we have crude oil coming off because of it. And yes, that number was surprising to me.
Well, let's get some of your levels, because if we take a look at the 5-day chart, it seems to be we're really stuck between that 57.5, about 62-ish area, and that really seems to be what the range has been over the past couple of weeks. Should supply and demand fundamentals remain the same? Are those the levels that you're looking at short and long term?
What I've been looking for is this. I've been looking for rallies to sell into those rallies because I think it's fundamentally oversupplied and we start to have some more players coming into the market as time goes on. I think we're going to see lower levels in crude oil. So what I'm looking for is two levels. First, as it rallies, I start selling between the 60.5 level and 61.5 level. If it should break 62.87, I would buy back my shorts. On the downside, I'm waiting for it to break 55. If it breaks 55, I think we're going to see a quick push down to 50.
Okay, thanks very much, Alan. Great to have you back with us.
Thank you for having me.
For TheStreet in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino.